Folding beach chair with backpack carry straps, 4-position reclining backrest, and armrests provides portable seating for outdoor events. Folding beach chair. Perfect for relaxing by the water, this beach backpack chair featuring a 4-position reclining backrest and armrests provides comfortable, portable seating for outdoor events. Built-in beverage holder keeps drinks nearby, head pillow adds comfort, and mesh paneling promotes airflow for ventilated seating that stays cool. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy aluminum and steel, this backpack chair boasts a built-in beverage holder, a comfortable head pillow, and ventilated seating with mesh paneling. Backpack straps for hands-free carrying. Large storage pocket holds essentials for water sports, concerts, festivals, and sporting events. Top reviews from the United States. Tall man chair. I am 61 tall and have difficult finding a beach chair that supports my head comfortably in all positions. This one does. In addition, my 56 daughter likes it. The pillow is nice and firm, and with this chair I am able to place it perfectly. One of the few chairs that I was immediately so comfortable in that I wanted to go to sleep. Generous built-in rear bag. Overall quality seemed better than most. Made without Velcro or zippers. Just drawstrings, which I much prefer at the beach. Tempted to buy another one.